Hi, welcome back. Instead of doing a preview, we're just going to jump right in. So I've graphed my scoreboard, and our first piece, this is going to be cut at 7 by 10. And on that 10-inch side, we're going to score that right in the middle at 5 inches. Then we need 3 pieces, and these are all double-sided paper, but they're going to be cut at 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. Then we need a heart, and this one is just from a die cut. This is 3 by about 2 3/4. I'm going to line this up so I've got that point at the middle. It'd probably be easier to line it up with the top of your scoreboard, and then I'm just going to score that right in half. And then we're going to fold that in half. That's just for the inside of the card. Then we need 2 pieces, and these are going to be cut at 1/4 by 1 inch. And you want to also score these right in half. This is just a little bit harder to do because it's so small. These are just for the heart so that you can secure it to the inside of the card. And then we'll just fold those in half. They don't have to be exactly perfect because, again, they're just going to hold that heart on the center of the card. Then we need the drawing. Now this will be in the folder. This is the horse that I drew, and this is 4.5 by 6.5. I didn't do any other embellishments on it yet because we'll put some hearts and stuff on there. And we're going to put that nail spinner on the front. All right, so we're done with our scoreboard. So we're going to start with the center of the card itself. We're going to fold that in half, crease out that fold, and then we're going to put in 2 of our pieces of that pattern paper. And so we're just going to secure those with glue just on the inside. So I'm doing the left side, making sure I've got that nice border all the way around, and then doing the right side. And then I'm just using my bone folder just to spread out any of that glue that I might have got too thick on there. Then for the heart, we're just going to lay this so that it's in the center, and you want to go a little bit high. And then we're going to take these little tabs and we're going to secure them to the heart. So I'm just going to use my Barely Art glue, and I'm just going to put glue on one of the tabs. And I'm going to glue it down so it's facing inside with the open part. So the fold is up against the edge of the heart on the side. And that'll be for one side. And then to do the other side, you can do it either way. You can just line it up. But I think I'm just going to lay this, and you can put glue on it after, but I just put glue on there. Then you want to lay it on top of the other one. And you want to make sure mine are just a little bit too far. You want to get them as close to the edge as you can so that your card doesn't creak when it opens. And I'm just going to put just a little bit more glue in there. I've got it lined up so that they're even and match. And then I'm just going to close that on it and glue that piece down. And I'll give those just a second to dry. And then this is going to get glued again right into the center. I want to make sure that fold line is with the center of the card. So once you have that done, I'm just going to put glue just on both sides of this. And then I'm just going to lay it down. I'm going to kind of lift up the sides of the heart just so I can line up that fold. And then once I have it in there, I'm just going to lay it flat, push those down, give it a minute to dry so that it doesn't move on you. And then go ahead and just close the card. And then again, just push those little glue pieces down. And then your heart will look like that when you open up the card. All right, then I've got I love you or love you. And right now I'm just kind of quickly laying this out to see where I want it. You want to make sure that it doesn't get caught. So you can see I can't put it on the right side of the heart because when the card closes, it'll get caught. So I'm just lining these up, seeing how I like them laid out. I'm just using some tape just to hold them together. And then I'll do the U at the bottom. I kind of like the way that looks. So then we're just going to glue these down. So let me move that U. And now I know where these are. I can go ahead and just glue the heart down first. So I'm just going to put just a tiny bit of glue on the bigger heart and then glue that other one on top of it. As you can see, it won't get in the way of anything. And then the love, I'm going to just leave that tape on there for a second because I want to see how high up I can go and how far out I can go. So I don't want it to stick out of the card. So it looks good right about there. So I know that it will fit and it won't get caught. So before I do that, I'm going to glue these together. So I'm going to remove all the tape that's holding them together. And I'm just going to put just a little bit of glue at the corner of each one, then line up the letters so they're nice and straight, but at an angle. And these are part of the design that's in the folder. You can print out these letters if you want. Or you can use die cuts if you've got them. All right, so that one's done. So again, I'm just going to put this on the other heart that I had glued onto there. So I'm just going to put just a little bit on the side. And then I'm going to secure this to that piece. And I want to make sure this is straight up and down when the card is open. And just move it till you get it where you want it. And just like that. So then it'll stand out from the card when the card is displayed. It looks really nice. And we'll do the same thing with a U. So I'm going to take all the tape off. And then I'm going to glue the heart to the bottom. So this time we're going to go just a little bit to the right, to the edge where the fold is. And I'm just going to glue this one right there. Now you could use a pink heart on here too, would it look nice, just to kind of give it some more color. But because the letters are pink, I decided to just keep it with the blue, but you could do white ones too. All right, that looks good like that. And then again, I'm just going to make sure that these are glued together just at the bottom. Just a little bit, just to hold them together. And then I'm going to glue that. Again, I want to make sure that it's not going to stick out, which I don't think it will if I put it towards the bottom. So we'll do that. So I'll put just a little bit of glue on that heart on the right side, just at the bottom. And then just tack that down. Just make sure you don't have any glue underneath it. And then I'm just going to glue just a bunch of little hearts that I have from a punch. I use these hearts a lot in my cards because I like that they come in 2 different sizes on the punch. And I'm just putting some blue and some white ones just around, just to give the card just a little bit of more color on the inside. And also put just a couple more just on some of the letters and just around. I think that's about enough for now. I think we'll leave it like that for now. All right, then for the front of the card, we're going to put that other piece on the polka dotted paper. Again, just line it up, make sure it's straight, and then just crease out that glue or push out that glue, make sure it's all flat. And then we're going to put the design on top. And then I'm going to grab a bigger heart. So that's going to be on the front. So this will look like, my thought was that the hearts are spinning above his head. So I'm going to use a spinner for the middle one so that it does have some movement. And I'm just lining this up just to make sure I get it right in the middle of the heart. It is a little bottom heavy the way it's facing right now. So if you hold the card up flat, I notice that it does drop to the bottom. So it looks like a kind of like a little butt, but oh. And then I'm just making sure that this is really on there and making sure that it does spin. And then I'm going to put glue on the other side of that mechanism or that little spinner. And then we're just going to secure this right to the card, right above his head. And right in that little area of those circles. So you can see when you lift up, it just kind of, because of the weight of the heart at the bottom, it goes to the bottom, which I didn't think it would, but it's okay. All right, so that works pretty good. Now I'm also going to put some blue, 2 additional hearts on the circles. And I'm just using some of the smaller ones. I'm just going to put them there just so it looks like he's got hearts going around him. Right, that looks good just like that. I'm making sure it still spins. And then for the front of the card, I'm going to put some more hearts on the front. So I'm just putting a couple pieces of glue. I probably need to put more, but just kind of want to mark where I want them. This time I'm going to use the pink hearts because you can't really see the pink paper that's behind it. It might be cute too if you do some little track lines, like the lines that you can do on there just to make it look like it's like a trail. Anyway, that is the card that we made today. So I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. This design will be in the January folder. So until then, happy crafting. Don't forget to tag me on anything you share. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye.